Ever wondered why you can remember the first and last items on a grocery list but struggle to recall the middle ones? Welcome to the world of the serial position effect. What is the serial position effect? The serial position effect is a psychological phenomenon where people tend to remember the first and last items in a list better than the middle ones. This effect is divided into two parts, the primacy effect and the recency effect. Primacy effect, you remember the first few items because they enter your long-term memory. Your brain has more time to encode them. Recency effect, you remember the last few items because they are still in your short-term memory. They're fresh, so they're easy to recall. Why does it matter? Understanding this effect can be a game-changer in various aspects of life, from studying for exams to delivering impactful presentations. If you're a marketer, placing the most critical information at the beginning and end of your ads can make them more memorable. Real-world examples. In advertising, the first and last products in a commercial are the most remembered. In education, teachers often start and end lessons with key points. In public speaking, the introduction and conclusion are the most impactful parts of a speech. How to use it to your advantage. Studying, break your study material into smaller chunks. Focus on the beginning and end of each chunk. Presentations, place your most crucial points at the start and end. Memory tricks, use mnemonics or stories to link the middle items to the first or last items. Overcoming the serial position effect. If you're on the receiving end, being aware of this effect can help you pay more attention to the middle items. Make a conscious effort to focus on them or even jot them down to review later. The serial position effect is more than just a quirky aspect of human memory. It's a powerful tool that, when understood and utilized correctly, can significantly impact how we learn, communicate, and influence. So the next time you're making a list or preparing for a big presentation, remember, the beginning and the end are your secret weapons.